Over 1.6 million users. More than $120 million in profit. Guys, this bot makes more profit than Mr. Beast. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel for another passive income opportunity. It's another trading bot called Royal Q, and this is amazing guys. When I saw those numbers, I almost couldn't believe it. Over 1.6 million users, more than $120 million in profit, and operating in more than 200 countries. Absolutely ridiculous stuff. I invested in Royal Q about 2, 3 or 4 weeks ago, and how it turned out for me you're gonna see later in the video. A really cool thing about Royal Q is that it doesn't only offer desktop availability, it also has its own app in the App Store and in the Google Play Store. So for the guys who do not use their desktop very often, but have their phone in their hands 24/7, this is the place to be. I downloaded and using the app myself, and it's very easy to handle guys. How the bot works is easily explained. Just like Eazybot, Royal Q uses API connections to connect the bot to your exchange, so your funds are always in your control and all the trades happen on your own exchange account. So you never have to withdraw any money, and all the profits will stay inside your own exchange account. So quick little Royal Q trading bot overview. What exchanges are available? We have BINANCE, Kraken, Coinbase and Huobi. What are our trading options? We have a big variety of trading options on Binance and Huobi, actually offering over 152 coin options on Binance and over 147 coin options on Huobi. That's absolute insanity. We can join a cycle, so a group of traders, or create our own bot. So we are free to use an own strategy in creating an own bot, or use a preset strategy by our cycle. We have different trading pair options. We have USD Tether, Bitcoin or Ethereum. What are our costs for the bot? There is unfortunately no free version, but there's only one version for everybody. This version has a $120 annual fee. So the annual fee is pretty low. When you cut it down to a month, it's basically $10 a month. I think that's very affordable. We have a 20% fee for trading profit. So in case we make $10 in trading profit, $2 get deducted. That's basically how the company makes their money. So what are my expectations? The trading circle I joined and the strategy they use is much more aggressive than my Eazybot strategy. In case of a downtrend, we will have much more floating loss, but also have much higher rewards in uptrends. Through the desktop and phone version, it's very easy to handle. For me, it's another long-term play, and the returns I'm thinking about long-term are somewhere in the range of 3 to 20%. I know that's definitely not accurate, but to be honest, what is accurate in the current crypto space, right? So here we are in the dashboard, and the cool thing about Royal Q is that you can join trading groups and trading strategies, just opt into them, synchronize them, and you're basically all set up. So let's jump into my current trading group. In case you're using the desktop version and the web version, just click on Circle on the left side. When you have this done, now you find the Circle dashboard where you can choose your own trading group and your own people to follow or to synchronize. So when we check on our right side right here, we already see a couple of circles we could join. And you can also filter through them. So you can go profit list, total revenue, you can go rate of return, month return rate, week return rate, whatever you want, right? But you can already see that this group made almost $200,000. This group made $192,000. This group made $179,000 and so on and so forth. Those are amazing results. But let's jump into my current trading circle. So I jumped into MB Crypto Trading Circle, and you can see that all of the people in the group made 23,000% profit. So in case you want to join some of those circles or one of the circles right here, just find the one you want to join. Let's join Eazybot, for example. Just apply for it. And when it's all said and done, you can copy or synchronize the strategy, and then everything is said and done. You just need to load up a little bit of cash and then you're good to go. So how to load it up is pretty easy. It's also kind of like Eazybot. You have your assets. Also, you have an internal wallet, so to say. I have $18 on it because I don't have as much money into it as I have on Eazybot. So $18 is more than enough. And from those $18, 20% of the profit gets taken, just like on Eazybot. If you make $1 on a trade, 20 cents gets deducted from this balance. You can just go into deposit, get an address, and then basically just send some money on that. So here we can see a couple of my orders or my sell orders. So the profits from the bot, and we can see today on the 28th, we made 2 sell orders, made 1.19% here, 1.21% here. Then 3 days nothing. On the 25th, we had 3 sell orders, 2.3% here, 1.2% here, 1.4% here. So just like on all the other trading bots, on the 23rd, we had a lot of trades right here. And they go back to the 12th, I think, of December, right? That's when I joined, so 2 weeks back. And you can see 16 cents, 17 cents, 15, 17, 18, 17, 16, 16, 12, 13, 13, 14, 8 cents. All of this adds up, right? I think I made like $8 of profit or something. And yeah, I think I have like $500 attached to it, something like that. Before we wrap up the video, please guys keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is any kind of financial advice. Please make your own research and do your own investment decisions. Crypto is very volatile and we are in a long bear market. So if you have any kind of questions, please let me know down below or contact me via WhatsApp, mail, or Telegram. And then we'll see each other in the next one. Bye bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream